I wanted to show you guys the actual giveaway itself, so you could see that this was randomized and stuff like that. But I most likely already have contacted these people because this is just being recorded, and on this day that I recorded this, I've already contacted these people. So I don't know when this video or whatever is gonna go up, but I wanted to show you guys the actual proof of it. So here's the video link. We're gonna filter this. We're gonna include this, and then hashtag giveaway. Like I said, everyone to do. That's what we're gonna do. So we have 65 comments, right? So we're gonna start right now. All right. So here's the first winner. I will be contacting them. Okay. So let me make sure I get that down. And also, the purpose of this as well is to show the people that won that you actually won, because I'm gonna contact you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys about a week, to hit me back. If not, then I'm just gonna have to pick somebody else. All right. So that's why I told you guys to give me your social or whatever, something, Instagram, Telegram, whatever, so I can actually contact you. So let me go ahead and write this down. So this is our first winner. Let's pick another one. All right, here is our second winner. And let's see who's our last winner of this giveaway. And I plan on doing more giveaways, right? Probably to not this extent, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes and how we grow as a community. So let's see who's our last winner. And here's our last winner. Match of the day. Okay, so if you didn't win this giveaway, I'll most likely be doing more giveaways in the future. Well, I mean, I have to see something. I have to see what more I want to give away and stuff like that. But I do appreciate you guys and these people that have won. Congratulations. And yeah, so I will be contacting these 3 people. So look out for that. Who, if you're watching this video, whoever won, and the guys that didn't win, keep watching the content. I will be doing more giveaways for you guys. All right. So, and it's $3 that I'm giving out for you guys as well. The videos won't stop. All right. All right. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Okay. So, congrats to those 3 winners that won the giveaway. As of right now, only 1 out of the 3 is a confirmed winner. Okay. So the other 2 have not contacted me yet. I haven't heard anything from them yet. But one of them that I've contacted, he's good. He's in the Discord now. He's got the course and he's got all the content. He's got everything, right? He's a part of everything. It's like 100%. So congrats to him. But the other 2, I'm going to say congratulations. But, they haven't contacted me yet. They didn't leave me a way for me to contact them. So I had to comment them inside, like underneath the video itself. But they haven't contacted me yet. So that means that the giveaway itself is still active. All right. Until those 2 contact me, the giveaway is still active. I'm going to give them until like towards the end of this week, probably Friday. I'll give them until Friday, and then I'll choose 2 more people, right? 2 new people that I'll just go ahead and use the randomizer and select 2 more new people, and then we'll do the same process, contact them. We'll confirm who's the actual winner and who's not. But those 2 people that I'm waiting on, if you want this, right, go ahead and contact me back, or follow the rules. Leave a way for me to contact you, okay? In this video, we're going to be talking about market structure versus order flow. Okay, so this is going to be a simple and simple, short and sweet, informational packed video. All right, market structure versus order flow. Okay, now the first thing I want you to understand is order flow is not market structure. Okay, just keep that in your head. Keep that in your head. Order flow is not market structure. Now we're going to explain. So let's say we have this as like, let's say this is the 4-hour time frame, right? This is the 4-hour time frame, and we are going bullish. The market is bullish. Now, as we know, as the 4-hour time frame goes up, we could have like smaller time frame. Let's say like the 1 hour or like 30 minutes to an hour. You're gonna have the internal structure inside of here. Okay, you're gonna have this inside of here. This internal structure represents order flow. This is order flow. Okay, this internal structure is order flow. It's not the structure itself. So notice the 4-hour is bullish, right? In this leg right here towards the downside. The 4-hour itself is still bullish, but the order flow is bearish. Okay, so I wanted to give this visual representation because some people get tricked out by order flow. They see that the 1 hour is bearish and they think, oh, the whole market is bearish. No, understand the higher time frame direction. If the 4-hour is bullish and then you have the 30-minute or the 1 hour being bearish, then you're in order flow on the 1 hour. Okay, based off of the 4-hour, if the 1 hour is bearish, then you're just in order flow. That means that's the direction the orders are going, right? So as the market comes here and makes this new high, of course we're going to reverse to go down here and test a demand area before we continue the market structure back up. So it makes sense that the orders are going to start shifting back to the downside to come target some areas of demand for us to react off and go up. All right, but what I want you to do is be careful, right? Trading order flow is very dangerous. Unless you know exactly what you're doing and the price action is clean, be careful when trading order flow because order flow can change on a dime. And I know you guys have seen this before where order flow, as the market is coming down, it'll do something like this and then still go down. But order flow is still bearish, right? This has nothing to do with structure. And this is where it comes at that complex retracement. Remember that complex retracement? Or complex pullback? This represents that pullback because remember, this is a pullback, but the pullback is not always going to look this simple. It's not always going to come down this smoothly. Okay, so when you have those complex pullbacks, right, let's say you know, the market is bullish. Let's say you have this, the market's coming down, it goes back up, then comes back down. The market is still bullish, but this order flow here is complex. That's why you have that complex pullback, and that's why you don't trade. That's why you be careful, right? I'm not gonna necessarily say you don't trade pullbacks, but be careful when you're trading pullbacks. That's why I honestly don't trade in the middle of the range. I like to look for the reversal itself. So I like to catch this move up here and then trade and then let the market do its thing as it goes down, because I don't want to get caught up in all that. All right, that's why I try to stay away from order flow unless I have to trade it. Right, unless the market is not giving me no setups on like the higher time frames or like, you know, the intraday time frames, and I have to trade like the lower time frames in order flow, that's when I'll trade order flow. But be careful when you're trading order flow and recognize when you're in order flow. Okay, so always mark out your actual structure. Always know what your directional structure is. Are we bullish or are we bearish? And then as you go down and you're seeing a complex pullback, understand that you're in order flow. Okay. Understand that you're in order flow. Now, order flow can be bullish as well, of course, right? Order flow can be bullish as well. But when the order flow is going the opposite of the actual direction of the market structure, that's when it's dangerous. When it's going in the good direction, that's when you can easily trade order flow because the market is bullish, right? You have the 4-hour bullish. Now you have the order flow of the market. That means that's where the orders are going towards. The orders are going towards the upside, right? Now you can be, you know, you could trade this all you want because you're going in a continuation of the market structure, and this you're going in a pullback of the market structure. That's where it gets dangerous. But once you're going in a continuation of the market structure, you're fine. Okay, now vice versa, if the market was bearish, of course, if the market is bearish, order flow is bearish, then you can trade the order flow. All right, it's not like you can't trade order flow. Just recognize when you're in order flow and be careful. So order flow is that internal structure. All right. And I'm going to go in a chart real quick, and we're going to see this in like a live chart, so it's easier for you guys to understand. We're actually in the market right now. I'm gonna just leave it as it is, to be honest. All right, let's notice here. Notice 4 hour, we're bullish. Okay, that's all we need to know. 4 hour, we're bullish. Go down to the 15-minute. Here is the order flow on the 15-minute. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Notice, right, on this order flow, notice how we came up and took out this high. This is where you got to be careful when you're trading order flow, right? Notice how we just came up, took this out, and still continue towards the downside. Okay, so all right here, order flow is bearish. Order flow is going to the downside. But on the higher time frame, on 4 hour, we're bullish. Okay, so just be careful when you're trading order flow. This R here is order flow because this is a pullback. This is not part of the actual structure. This is the internal structure of the pullback. All right, now notice what happens as the market comes down. We trade inside of a demand. We trade inside of a point of interest here. The market shifts its order flow. So now, instead of making us the lower lows, now we're making higher highs, right? We made this low. We broke order flow here. Now order flow is shifting. Now order flow is shifting. But see how order flow only shifted after we reacted inside of a demand. Okay? After we reacted inside the demand area, that's when the order flow shifted. So understand that you're not going to get an order flow shift until you react inside of demand, or if it was going the opposite way, right, vice versa, or supply. Okay, so just be careful and understand that order flow can shift on the dime. It can shift any moment, as you've seen right here. Even right here, we didn't even get inside of a demand area. I'm sorry. Even right here, we didn't even get inside of a demand area right here, but the order flow still made a new high. How do you not get faked out by this? Understand that you only want to look for that order flow shift when you get inside of a demand area. That's when you want to look for that order flow shift. That's when it counts. When it's not there and it's just doing its thing, let it do its thing. That's what I do. I just let it do its thing. I don't even mind it. Just let it do its thing and let it let order flow be order flow, right? It's going to try to check people out. It's going to try to do all these stupid movements. And as the market goes back up, of course, order flow is going to follow the market back towards the upside. All right, so that is a prime example of order flow. Now, if we want to go on a higher scale of order flow, right? Because remember, order flow is all it is that internal structure, and it depends on the direction you're using. It depends on the market direction that you're using. It depends on the time frame. And let me see. I'm trying to delete all this stuff in here. Now, if I go on like the daily time frame, if I go on a daily time frame, look at this. We see on the daily time frame that the market is bearish. So what can we assume here? We can assume this is order flow. This internal, even though the order flow is bearish, this is still order flow because this is the actual leg. This is the actual direction. The daily time frame is going down to the downside. The direction of the daily time frame is bearish, but this internal structure is the order flow. I'm gonna use like the 8 hour or something. Let's see. Okay, I could use that. Right, the daily time frame is bearish. Cool. But this inside of here is the order flow. You see the order flow? And it's a good thing that the order flow is matching our direction. That's good. But I just want you to understand the difference between structure and the order flow. The internal structure inside of the leg is the order flow. Okay? Don't get it mixed up. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. There's nothing more to be added to it. That's literally it. All right? So I hope that was a good enough understanding for you guys. I wanted to keep it, simple, and I didn't want to add too much that didn't need to be added. All right, so if you guys want to join the community, there's a link in the description. I left my Instagram inside the description as well, because I know there's some people trying to contact me and I didn't actually have it available. My bad for that. I never had it available till now, so now it's available for people who wants my Instagram. That's our Instagram page. That's our official page. Okay, so if you guys want to check us out, hit me up on there as well. And you can hit me up on Telegram. I have a free Telegram group where I'll send outlooks and stuff like that for you guys, and things like that from the community. But about the giveaway, it's still active as of right now. It's still active, so you still have a chance to win if those 2 people do not contact me back. Okay, so peace out, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.